Yeah, good day everyone. So I want to share a quick video on how to do scouting, how to receive order on Fiverr without waiting for buyers to contact you or waiting for your gig to get to first page. So now what do you understand by scouting? Scouting is another means of getting in touch with buyers. Most especially if you are selling Telegram service. If you offer Telegram service like Telegram promotion, NFT promotion, token promotion, all of that. So we just have direct access to those buyers instead of you waiting for them to contact you on Fiverr. And through this, you can receive your payment outside or decide to have your order on Fiverr. So now, there are some coin they just listed, some new coins, some new token they just listed on some exchange websites like Coin Sniper, Coin Market Cap, and so on, like that. And those exchange websites have paid and free packages, and most of those new coins are listed on free exchange websites like Coin Sniper, Coin Muna, Coin Ons, and so on, like that. So now most of these new token, they have new Telegram group they need to grow, looking for marketers, looking for community management, and you can quickly locate them when their group is still like 200 members, 30 members, 500 members. So you introduce your service to them that I'm available to grow your community, moderate your group, all of that. So now let's go on. Here is my Chrome browser. You can open any browser here. Open any browser here. So let me make use of Coin Sniper this night. I want to scout with Coin Sniper, coinsniper.com. Let's go. I think there is delay. Maybe my network is bad. I want to make use of Coin Sniper. So you can actually search for Coin Sniper. Yes. Yeah, here is Coin Sniper, where you meet new cryptocurrency that just listed here. So now you can easily click on these new listings, some new coin that just listed here. So now just decline all of this. You can see here this coin is new coin but already promoted. It's listed on CMC and other exchange websites like that, but you don't need to choose from here. So just scroll down here. You can see from this place, you can see new, you can see today, which is new coin. So just click on the today, check the today. From that today, you see some new coin that just listed there. So there are thousands of coins. I have a contacting. So there are thousands of coins there. You can see cool Shiba. You see many coins here. You see many coins here. You see many coins here. So now let me go with one here. This Beloved. So just click on it and scroll down here. The status. This one is already listed. They have accepted the listing. that status listed. So now just scroll down here, then you see their social link here. You can see their website here, their Telegram, their Instagram, their Twitter. So now just click on the Telegram. So you want to scout on Telegram. The Telegram group is not exist, so you just need to go back and search for another one. So let me choose one. Let me choose this cool Shiba. Can actually choose anyone. It's also listed. So now let me check their Telegram group. So it took me directly to their Telegram group here. You can see the total number is 126 here. The group is not growth yet. So now the same thing I want to do here, someone have already done it. He said, hey guys, I'm a YouTuber and promoter. I want to promote your website because my community will give you good response and my country along for free. So now, and someone responds to me, he said, admin DM me. So this is how you go about yours. Just join the group here. Then me will say, hi guys. Hi guys. I am a Telegram community manager from Fiverr. Who can I DM for marketing proposal? Manager and promoter from Fiverr. Who can I DM for marketing proposal? Question mark. So I will need to copy this content, then you send your content. So after you send the message, make sure you set up your Telegram account professionally. Make it look nice and attractive according to the service you offer. Telegram also, you understand. So now wait for a response. If no one responds to your message, just go straight to the group details, then search for the owner or the moderator or admin. So let me scroll, maybe I can see the owner of the group here. So now throughout here, I do not see the owner of this group here. So now let me check if there's admin here. So now this admin is actually a bot, so you don't need to message this admin. So now you can see here they don't have any manager, moderator, or promoter or marketer here yet. So you just need to be updated here, waiting for their message. Waiting for their message here, waiting for response here. So you just need to get back and go back to your scouting platform, then check for another coin. Let me just choose anyone. This one is a token. Then click on the Telegram. This one is already grow. So you can also scout for them. Don't worry about that. They might be still looking for marketer or someone to manage your channels. You can even introduce Telegram stickers to them. Maybe the response to your message or the letter tell you they have their own promoter or we have our own manager, we are okay. So you can introduce something else to them, like sticker design, Telegram stickers design, and give them some quality samples of stickers design. So I received a project today about that Telegram sticker design through this scouting project of $60. So now let me send a message. Your own Telegram account might not be sending message due to limitation. You must limit your account from sending message to public group. So you just need to find available accounts to be sending your message to this Telegram group. So now my message is read but no response here. So let me check the group here. There are a lot of members here. It's very hard to locate the owners of the group. Here I quickly locate the owner. So here's the owner of the group. The owner is even online. So now I will message the owner directly right now. So now look at this owner. If you want to message the owner, your own Telegram account might not send the message that you cannot contact a private account or something like that. But me, I will message the owner. So my message deliver. Nice to meet you. I am a Telegram community manager and promoter from Fiverr. I have a marketing proposal to grow your Telegram community. You can call it community or group organically. So now it may take some time before this person read your message. So someone responds to my message here to the same group, said you can PM. He gave me the address. So now he gave me the address of the owner that I should PM the owner. So I've already messaged the owner here. So the owner is online but not responding to my message. So he might be busy. He just need to be updated. So monitor the owner or this person you scout to. Make sure you are available when he reads the message. Some people will read the message and they will not see anything. So after this, if this person read my message and did not see anything, then I will ask him, can I share with you my proposal? I have my own composed proposal on how I can grow a Telegram group, what to do, where to promote, and the expected results that will inspire them to have interest in what I want to offer them. And some might say, I'm not interested. I will still introduce the sticker design or other service that they do not think of, and it will help the group to grow. So this person is busy, so I got to move on now. So now I'm leaving this place, then search for another coin. Let me use this one also. So this is how I do my scouting. Some people will respond, and from there you have projects on Fiverr. You can see this group is also new. Do not have much member here. So there's both in this group. So I unmute myself. So the same content, need to paste it and send it to the group. So you need to stay to this group, stay tuned. Some group, they will already have their moderator or manager. Immediately you send this kind of message, can you see? Immediately they delete the message. Immediately you can see they have deleted the message. So no, this kind of group is not for you. Don't send this kind of message to the group again, or they banned you or banned your Telegram number from sending message to public group. You understand? So you don't need to send message here again. So just click here and look for the owner right here. You can see this owner is also online. So I will do the same thing for this owner. You can see my message deliver. So I am a Telegram community manager and promoter from Fiverr, a trusted platform for buying and a trusted platform for freelancing. So you might have more idea more than me. So I have a marketing proposal to grow your Telegram, to grow your new Telegram group organically. So now immediately this person read my message, might say some people will just say directly, I'm not interested. So you can ask him why you not interested. They say there's a lot of scammer. Most of promoter are scammers. You may understand we are not the same. I can send you my Telegram. I can send you my Fiverr link where I offer different type of services. I've worked with a lot of people and they have no issue with me. You try to convince the person. So if this person doesn't accept your proposal, another person will accept. So this is how you do scouting, all of that. So in the next video, I'll be dropping some training. I'll be dropping some training on how to execute or how to give your buyer plan, like how to task your buyer, give them price, so you can receive your payment outside Fiverr, then you can also receive it on Fiverr, so that you can the order can rank your gig. So now instead of promoting gig, this is better than just promoting your gigs, taking your time on unnecessary thing. So this is what I have for us.